Sarve Jana Sukhno Bhavantu. This is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pulepu. See, previous videos, finding the rank by row operation we done. Similarly, we can do in these videos, continuous videos, find the inverse by Gauss-Jordan method. Inverse already we done. So for a inverse for which matrix we get actually for non-singular. If we find out inverse means what, it should be non-singular. Non-singular means what? Determine not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means non-singular, already I told you. So here using Gauss-Jordan method, how you will find inverse? They will go, just little bit introduction I will go, next I will go for the problem. See, they will give one matrix, any matrix, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. They will ask how to find the inverse means what? Just you can write A comma I. 2 by 2 R square matrix only will go inverse 3 4 1 0 0 1. Now what you will do, this matrix you can write a identity matrix. What changes you are doing, number below 0 to the right number. This first diagonal matrix you can keep, numbers remaining place you can 0. Already I told you, if you want to make first column 0 means what, use first row, second column 0 means second row, third column is third row. So such a way you can make this is identity matrix. What operations you are doing, same thing you can do. This all you can treat as a one row. This is second row, third row, like this. Automatically you will get. Now we are going to do the one problem. You see, first problem. In problem 3, first problem is what? Find the inverse of each following by Gauss-Jordan method. First problem is what? What is telling? 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2. So guarantee it should be non-singular. If it is non-singular means what? If it is not non-singular means what? You are not able to find the inverse. Now what you will get given this guarantee it should non-singular only, they will give you, don't worry. Then what you will do? Now we can find one matrix you can prepare AI. Given matrix you can take A, 2, minus 1, 5, minus 2. This you can write one straight line you can draw 1, 0, 0, 1. Write vertically one line. So this is A, this is I. Now slowly this I will change I. This is because automatically become A inverse. So this A become, when you will get A inverse means A inverse multiplies A inverse into I. You should not confuse, lot of theory is there behind the theory, now not required. Now what I want to do, number, the first, this I want to make one, remaining down, but you don't worry about ones also, unit matrices. First you can write diagonal elements you can keep, remaining you can make 0. Finally you can divide by whole things. Because always there will people know 1, we divide by 2 means what, somewhat I take. First row divided 2 means what, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0 by 2. I don't want to do. What I will do, first I will keep diagonal element. I want element here, 0. Here element top 0. Then I will see what I want to do. Now what I will do. R1 gives R1. R2 gives what? I want to make this is 0. So 2 into this fellow, 5 into this fellow. So 2R2 minus 5R1. So 2 minus 1, 1, 0. But you can draw one line, always you can treat as a one row. Now second row is what? 5 into 10 minus 10, 0. This is what you can multiply by 2. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Minus 4 plus 5, 1. Getting or not? Minus 4 plus 5. Minus 5. Then plus. So okay. Then similarly this what you will go? 2R2 minus 5. So this is what? 2 into 0. This is minus 5. Then this is also what? 2R2 minus 5. Anyway this is waste. 2 you will get. Now you don't worry about 2. This finally I will make it 1 actually. Some people now itself write. I don't want to write. Now I want number here, diagonal elements I want. This is one element. This I want to make matrix I antimatrix. So I want here I 1 got very happy. What I told, to make second column 0, second row is second row. This I want to make 0. So R1 gives what? So now R1 in second column is what? I will use R2. So my R1 gives what? See, I want to make this place 0, so I will use R2. If I use R2, because of this 0, nothing will happen. This 2. 2 should be 2 only. So this what you will get, R1 gives R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. R2 no problem. R2 gives R2. Now write R1 gives R1 plus R2. Means what? 2 plus 0, 0, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 0 plus 2, 2. So what you will get? 2, 0. This is what? Minus 5 plus 1, minus 4. 2 plus 0, 2. R2 gives R2. 0, 1. Minus 5, 2. See what I am telling, this you can make as I, then what changes you are doing this also do, then you can say this is A inverse. So what I want, identity matrix means what? 1 0 0 1, this one happy, but this 2 is what? Throughout you can divide by 2. Up to final you don't worry about one, don't bring. Sometimes if initially some people, if you see your textbook, they will do divide by 2 itself here. So I don't want to do, so carefully you can do. Now what I will do, finally after reaching number below on diagonal I will keep elements, then I will attack. Now what I will do, R1 gives R1 by 2. So 1, 0 by 2, 0. Minus 4 by 2 is what? Minus 2. 2 by 2 is what? 1. So R2 gives R2 only 0. This is minus 5, 2. This is what? Now this is I, this is A inverse. Now A inverse is equal to what? Minus 2, 1, minus 5, 1. If you want, you can say, already I told you, 2 by 2 means, if you check means what you will get? AD minus BC determinant. This is what? Minus 4 plus 5, 1. Then these two elements, hey, what I did wrong, I think. So minus 5, 2. These two places you can interchange. This you can give minus. Got it? Nicely. So thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. We will meet in next video. Bye.